This is one out of many tutorials that is to be uploaded to the backup channel for computer science videos. In this tutorial, the question is, how do I send myself an email using Gmail on a Mac computer? Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, an account for Google. We can now start the tutorial. So now let's go down to the dock. Go to Launchpad, go to the alternative web browser, which is Google Chrome. Click on this, wait for that to load. Once it is loaded, now let's go to the top right corner. Click on Gmail and make sure that you are signed into the account. Now let's go to the left-hand side navigation menu where we have Compose. Click on this. Open up the email in full screen. Now what we will do is add the recipient, which will be ourselves. So make sure that you know of your email address. Let's type that in now. So computer science videos business@gmail.com. Click on this. Let's now add a subject. Let's just say email to myself. Let's now go within the email and compile a very quick email. Dear CSV, I hope that this email finds you well. Right arrow for autofill. And then we can say this is just an email to myself. Kind regards. Computer science videos. And then the name, which in this case is my name. And we can now go all the way to the bottom where we have send. We can either schedule send or click on send. This will then send that email to myself. Let's now click on view message. Email to myself. Computer science videos business@gmail.com. Dear CSV, I hope that this email finds you well. This is just an email to myself. Kind regards. Computer science videos and then my name. So we can now quit Google Chrome. And so that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now.